Yes, hello, good morning, everyone, and welcome to our tax saving Tuesday. We are already in the tax season. That's why we are giving you more and more tips on how you can navigate through the tax season. Again, I'm Christopher. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for our virtual accounting and tax planning services here in the US. For us to get started, I would like to share my screen, and any further questions that you may have, feel free to post it in the comment section, but you are always more than welcome to book a 30-minute free session to us on our website at www.wycotax.com. A while ago, we had an technical issue, so that's why it's better late than never. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with you guys. So we're giving you the top 10 tax and bookkeeping tips for tax season this 2025. We're going to go over reviewing and adjusting your financial plan and preparing your business and personal return. All right, for this is only less than 30 minutes. And any questions, we are more than happy to answer at the end of this. But again, you're always welcome to book us on our website for any type of free consultation. Okay, so you could also be part of our gift card. All you have to do is go to our raffle, to our YouTube name, Chris Wycoco. And then from there, you would be able, once you subscribe, you can watch all our videos. Then we can be part of our $5 or gift card. Also, we just want to have a disclaimer that the company Wyco Tax is an outsourced tax and accounting tax planning service solution. We are not. This is not an legal accounting investment or any tax advice. The material should that we provided are for informational purposes only. Examples of these materials in this webinar are only for illustrative purpose and should not be relied upon for technical answers. The Wyco Tax is a virtual outsourced accounting and planning company, and we're not associated with any institution on this presentation, and is a private business providing resources for small businesses. So let's dig into it. We are targeting specifically with doctors with their own companies, self-employed and work from home, people that are receiving 1099s, have S corps, LLCs, and partnerships, with or without employees, non-accountants, and high-income professionals that are making more than $100,000 a year. Because guess what? There are so many audits coming, so that's why you want to avoid the trial and error approach that will cause IRS red flags that paralyzes your business. For example, we're taking care of Gloria. So she owns a clinic, and now she's preparing her tax and financial documents. What are the things she needs to keep in mind in related to her financial documents? So that's why we create with the acronym accountant. So write this down. First is letter A. You need to avoid mixtures of accounts. I always recommend that whenever you have a company, try to create your own business bank account, business credit card. It actually streamline the process of record keeping, because anything that you put in your personal any business transactions, it you don't see a clear picture of your numbers. So that's why it's not hard to open a bank account. You just need an EIN from the IRS letter EIN on the certificate of formation from the state if you're an LLC. And then those are just the basic documents, and you can open a business bank account. Then you have to cut back on manual reporting. Shoeboxes is the old thing from the past. What aside from the shoeboxes, we already have cloud storage, drive, folder, all of these things. You don't need as much as physical receipt. There's even a physical receipt scanner. So all of those things need to be stored. You could integrate that on a QuickBooks platform, and then that will be extracted at the end or in a month-to-month record keeping. Then count with experience. That's why I would rather have a consultation before I started the business, or even HR for employees, IT, because it's so hard. The cost of doing it in your own is more expensive than hiring a professional. That's why we're offering a free 30-minute consultation for those of you that are kind of don't know what to do with their books, and also with how to the file their taxes, whether S corp, C corp, partnership, and even personal return. Then regularly open and check accounts. It's, for example, like I got charged like erroneously when I was in Vegas at $3,000 in my business credit card, and then because I do regular check, I was regular checking of my business credit and bank accounts. I was able to dispute all those transactions. Even you do have a regular accountant, tax professional, bookkeeper, it's always important to, for me, I do as a course of habit to change the bank account every the credit card every year, just to make sure there are so many, sometimes there are some minor subscriptions that you're not using but still charging you, so that's also a way of budgeting. And then letter U, you have to utilize every deduction. The good thing about the business, the power of converting your personal expenses to your business. The personal expenses like the home office use, your car, your travel, all of those can also be part of a business expenses if you know how to map and categorize them correctly. Then eventually, other bills that you have, let's say your groceries, all paying your mortgage of the house, all of this can be done, and you can have yourself on payroll once your company is becoming more and more liquid, which it has more income, and then you're subject to taxes. How we convert the taxable income to be expenses is through your payroll. So that's one thing that to keep the bills, because at the end of the day, if you're doing a full-time job to your company, you need to be on the salary. Then eventually there are so many benefits from 401k, from IRA, Cayman insurance. So these are the tax savings benefits that you could utilize when you have a company. After you have a good record keeping, you started to do your tax planning. And then all tax forms will be needed. The tax season is here. Make sure to file them on the deadline, because there are two types of penalties: not filing on time and not paying on time. So March 15 is mostly S corp partnership, but April 15 is usually 11 C corp and personal return. Then you need to have neat and organized records. I do recommend to have an online software, rather aside from the bank, aside from your credit card, you need to have a neat and organized record, which is your QuickBooks, because it integrates everything at the end of month to month. You can just do recategorization if there are some items that are still under business, other business expenses. That is the power of having a QuickBooks online. I don't recommend desktop. I recommend online, because desktop, it's a lot of memory, it's maintenance, it's more, and it's more expensive. Top priority reports again. So what we said a while ago, there are annual, monthly. Annual reports are due to the Fed, due to the IRS. You need to file them on time, and then there are also state reports. It could be sales tax reporting, mixed beverage report. All of this franchise tax report in the state is also on annual basis. So there you go. How do we help our clients? So to make it more digestible, how we can create more on a proactive approach on tax savings, because we would like to give you a break by giving you more tax breaks. So we go over like a slices of pizza. When you come on board with us, we check your entity slice 1, and then we check your blueprint, your slice 2 and 3 from your record keeping and your business expenses. And then also, if we still have a taxable income, we go with credits. So aside from deductions, there are tax credits. Then next is tax sheltered plans. These are investment that you park your money when you retire, and that gives you savings, tax savings every year. And then at the end of the year, we do the tax filing for you. So these are the 6 slices of pizza for you to have more tax savings. And then we categorize or analyze whether your income is taxable, tax deferred, or tax free. So that's why at the end, why Wyco Tax? We are worry-free, year-round, competitive, and on-time tax accounting and wealth planning service solution in the US. And the 5 benefits of outsourcing: we give you peace of mind, save headache, save time, save money, and then faster access to any grants and loans available within your city. And that's why we're giving a 2024 bookkeeping and tax bundle. We're offering a $523 discount when you sign up to our bundle accounting and or tax and bookkeeping filing for 2024. So again, stay tuned on next tax savings Tuesday. It's going to be February 11 at 9 in the morning Central Time. So the replay, we will post this in our YouTube channel. So connect with me on my LinkedIn. You'll find my name, Chris Wycoco. YouTube is the same. So again, tax season is on the air. If you're still having a hard time, we are here to help. I'm Christopher Wycoco, Chief Marketing Officer for our virtual accounting and wealth planning solution, Wyco Tax. So again, stay safe because just like you, your tax needs a break.